Hello friends, I'm back again with another video. In previous video, I've shown you people how you can learn Excel fast. I've cleared some basic concepts through sharing my knowledge, and I've also mentioned how we can apply some formula. In this video, we are going to learn Sumif formula, boost our calculation knowledge and minimize the errors. And through learning, we'll become champion and we'll be doing the right things. So friends, if you have not subscribed my channel yet, it's my request to please click on subscribe and keep watching knowledgeable videos. Hi friends, let's start. Okay, we need to go to the start button first and then we need to choose Excel from here. In case if you couldn't find Excel here, just type that in the start menu, EXCEL, you'll get Excel. Click on it. You'll get your file open. Now save that file before we'll do anything. Save as, give a location of the desktop or anywhere you wish to choose. Test, Sumif in English. Click on save. I do have that file saved already, so it's asking whether you want to replace it. Yeah, I want to replace it. We'll use upper row as a heading, serial number, customer or client name, customer ID, amount. We'll double click here in that column so that it'll the column will show the exact or the entire thing that we have entered earlier in this column. And then again, so customer ID, okay, serial number 1, and then 1 equal to upper arrow plus 1. What my formula is doing, like it's selecting the value of the upper row, it's a column, and the second row, whatever the value is inside this cell, it has selected that A2 and we have added 1 in it. Then we'll press enter. That's it. Control C, copy, move your cursor anywhere you wish to, and then Control V to paste. The name, Shaktiman, Superman, Hulk, Lucky, okay, we can make it correct as well, as I have mentioned earlier in the previous videos by F7, change, yeah, Control S. We'll have to do it with regular, while working or after some regular interval, so that in case if we will close this file, we'll not lose our data or the work we have done in a particular file. So friends, I will always say that whenever you will be working in any Excel file, after a few minutes or after any regular interval, just always press Control S to save the data that or save the work that you have added in a particular file. That's it. Okay, Superman, Lucky, Hulk, and then we'll mention Congo or Kong and Kapala, customer ID. Okay, we'll make it 789456, a 6-digit number, anything that you can choose. 741852 963852, and then sorry, I've done here. Okay, and then 852 741 963 741, and then 123 654. Okay, let's see whether we can repeat it. I think so. Now I'm selecting this by shift right arrow and then shift control down arrow, the entire value I've selected, then control C to copy it, and then with the help of the cursor, upper or the downside cursor, I have moved my cursor, I placed it till the end of the data, like where it's finishing the customer or the client name, then control V to paste it. Again, I have moved my cursor up, selected the entire data. Okay, yeah, that's it. Will not have to do it again. It's getting repeated thrice actually. It's getting repeated. 85 74 96 add any value in it, 5, sorry, equal to upper value plus 5, control C, left arrow. Okay, we moved into the C column. Now control down arrow. We have moved to the end of our data. Right arrow. We have moved our cursor. Now control shift upper arrow and then control V. We got our data field. Now I just want you people to see this. Okay, first control shift L to apply filter. Now I want you people to see this Kong. This Kong guy has got this customer ID and have made these payments. The amount is different. Now same thing with, I would say, Superman. The Superman guy has made these payments and has got the same customer ID. I always mention, in case if you want to apply a formula, do not consider any name to apply a formula, because people can have the same name. So different people can have the same name, but a customer ID is a unique thing. Like lucky two people have, sharing the same name will have different customer ID. So whenever you will be applying any formula, always consider a unique thing like customer ID, mobile number, landline number, anything like that, but do not consider the name. This is my suggestion. Right, so we're going to apply the Sumif formula. First of all, we check how many people we got. We got people till Kapala. After that, it's getting repeated again. Okay, we'll select it here. From here, we'll paste it here. Customer name, customer ID. That's it. Double click, and now the total. Okay, now we'll start the Sumif formula. Now what it will be doing, it will be calculating the entire payments made by Hulk and Lucky and everybody in one go. Like at one place you will be able to see it. Otherwise you'll have to apply filter, you will have to calculate manually, or you'll have to calculate it by choosing calculator from the start menu, which will be very time taking. So we'll reduce our time by applying Sumif formula, and our normal calculation can be done like if you want to apply some formula, just do it like this, alt and then equal to. That's it. Enter. You got 3426. Now people would ask, what is this 3426? You can mention total, select, and then bold. Now we got 3426, the total amount, but we just want you to, I just want you people to see this is 3426. So these people, how many payments Shaktiman or Superman, Hulk, Lucky or Kong or Kapala has made individually to get this total. So we'll be able to do that by applying Sumif formula. Okay, sum equal to, will start formula. As I mentioned earlier, any formula in Excel should start with equal to. Without equal to, we cannot apply any formula. Sum, and now this time if. Now bracket open. I'm going to use my left arrow in the keyboard to go to the value that I want to go. Okay, so I have selected this C column and the second row. I'm going to select the entire data till the end, but when I move my cursor, it's not selecting the data. So I'm going to use, with the arrow, I'm going to use shift. So I press shift button first, I won't leave it, and then I'll use the down arrow on my keyboard and I'll be selecting it. Now I want to select in one go, so I'll use control as well with shift. So control shift down arrow, and I've selected till the end of the data. I won't select total. If you wish you can, but won't make any difference. Then I'll put, see this is sparkling. Yeah, this column which has been selected so far, it's sparkling. Now I'm gonna give the another value. So I'll be like putting a pause here in this formula by applying or by writing comma. Yes, now this has, I mean, this is not sparkling anymore. Now I'm gonna give the second value to this formula, which will be the customer ID. And now this is, I mean, it's sparkling. Now I'm gonna again put a stop in this sparkling by applying comma. Okay, and then I'll be selecting the another value, which is the amount. Okay, this is the amount. You can use cursor to come here, or you can simply click any value. Okay, I'll control shift down arrow. Sorry, I've done something else. Okay, control shift down arrow. Now we will close the bracket. Okay, before we'll close the bracket, I'll show you what we have done. We have selected the, I mean, range, which is customer ID. We have given the criteria, which is here, where we want to apply the formula on what basis. So this is the criteria. On this basis, it will be collecting the amount and then the sum range, which is here. And now we'll put a stop, or we'll close the bracket and enter. This is the formula which we have applied so far. Okay, now we'll copy it, Control C, Control V, paste it, Alt equal to 3426. Okay, we got the right total. Yes, 3426. Now, but we have got the segregation now. Now the individual payments made by everybody, or the individual customer, to get this total. This is how Sumif formula, I mean, the Sumif formula works, which is a very useful formula. You can do the calculation, you can get the segregation of the amount by an individual in your database. And what it's doing, this formula exactly is like, you can see, or you can press F2, or you can see the formula here in the formula bar. You can see that it's selecting the C column, the entire C column till the end of our data, and then this criteria. So we have given this criteria so that whatever the value as per this criteria is getting repeated in this C column will be calculating here. The sum will be calculating here by the Sumif. So people, this is how Sumif formula works. If you have liked my video and you want to watch these kind of videos, the knowledgeable videos, it's my humble request to please subscribe my channel and keep watching my videos. Thank you very much.